Okay, this is a short video of the ShopMobile 2 demo that we demoed at the Computer Vision for Visually Impaired a workshop run by Roberto Manducci and James Coughlin in San Francisco in June, and then in June 2010. And then we also demoed it at RESNA also in June 2010. So when you download the zip archive of the demo and install it on your Android 2.1 desktop, so you can just start this icon, start this application, and so this is our eyes-free product selection interface, and basically it's a shopping list browser. There are 12 products in this demo, and to find out which product is currently selected, you just swipe right or left.
Right, Country Club Crackers.
So it says right, Country Club Crackers. To go down the shopping list, you just swipe down.
Thin and crispy saltines.
So to go down, you swipe down refried beans. So let's go back up to
Thin and crispy saltines.
Thin and crispy saltines. And let's say if you want to shop for a particular product, you just tap the screen.
Shopping for thin and crispy saltines.
So now we're...
To a live camera. Long press to take picture. Camera on.
Now the camera comes on, and basically we're ready to shop. One thing that you should know is that many supermarkets worldwide have two types of barcodes. So actually they have more than two types, but two types are pretty standard. The first type is the MSI barcode, and it's on shelves, right? It varies from store to store, it may vary from from chain to chain, but the stores use them for inventory control. So let's say you may have seen stockers in the store putting a bunch of products, and instead of scanning the UPC on every product package, they just put 10 boxes of roasted almond, and then scan the MSI barcode on the shelf only once and enter 10 in the database. And then the second type of barcode, well, that's the standard UPC type of barcode on packages and bottles and cans and so forth. So so in the demo, in the archive, you have the PDF file that simulates 3 shelves, each of which has 4 MSI barcodes. So shelf number 1, Country Club Crackers, Thin and Crispy Saltines, Maple and Brown Sugar Oatmeal, Apple Cinnamon Oatmeal, and then this is shelf number 2, is 4 types of teas, and then 4 other products on shelf number 3. So the first thing that you do is, and we're shopping for Thin and Crispy Saltines, is called camera alignment, right? So you slightly tap on the touch screen, and you will hear the message camera alignment on. And so then you can move the camera away. The autofocus on Google Nexus One camera happens from 6 centimeters on. Now, when you tap the screen slightly the first time, the accelerometer's readings and the pitch in your plane are captured. So if you misalign the camera in the pitch or your plane, the phone starts vibrating until you realign it back into the original camera. And then you long press to take a shot, and you hear that. So it said MSI refried beans 2 shelves up because it has the so-called barcode connectivity matrix. You can read the details in the README about what that barcode connectivity matrix is. So let's go 1 shelf up and take another shot.
MSI One shelf up.
Okay, well, let's go one shelf up and take another shot.
MSI apple cinnamon oatmeal. 2 barcodes left.
So let's go 2 barcodes left and take a shot of thin and crispy
MSI
saltines.
and crispy saltines. MSI target found.
So it said MSI target found. Now, how do we know where the barcode is? This is because in a real grocery store, those shelf barcodes can be easily found by touch, and then the camera can be aligned. So the rough location is known. So it said MSI target found. Now you can also try the 90-degree rotations, and so the code is written to handle 90-degree rotations, because some people may want to take pictures like holding the phone like this. So then the second thing is product identification. So you reach over that shelf barcode and grab the picture of thin and crispy saltines. And the zip archive for the demo has a whole bunch of product pictures with UPC barcodes. And then you align the camera with the barcode, and then so it said UPC thin and crispy saltines. Now, how do you know where the barcode is found? I mean, and on most packages sold in North America, actually in many other countries, the MSI barcode resides on the side opposite to the opening side, at the bottom, basically. So you can, or if you do not know, let's say, where the barcode is found, then you basically have to take shots until you have the barcode in the picture, and then it will be recognized. Now, what do you do with the bottles, right? Well, this is a bottle, and well, it's not in the database. So one strategy is to hold the bottle like this, and then keep on taking shots and rotate it, right? So like until you get the MSI barcode in the picture. So, I mean, this bottle is not in our database. This is just an example that the application can handle bottles and cans. So that's one strategy. Another strategy is to hold the bottle like this and take a picture. This is a 90-degree rotation case, which should be handled. So it said that this code is not in our database, well, because our database consists only of 12 products for this demo. Now, what happens if you take, like, okay, so a picture here where the barcode is not found? In this demo, the application should just say the barcode. Okay, well, that's actually, I'm impressed, because it detected it, right? Well, okay, good. So let's take it here where there is no barcode. It might be a false positive, or it should say barcode not detected in this example. Oh, good. So I'm glad that it did say that. So you will hear barcode not detected if the barcode is not anywhere in the image, right? But it doesn't have to be perfectly aligned. That's the point, right? So, and it should be able to recognize it. So, okay, so that's basically it. So press back. It says goodbye, and then press back to get out of the application. So that basically concludes our demo video. Thanks for watching.